So the moment you're contacting lead, you had 4 5 conversations with them, and now you feel that this particular lead is mature enough, and it is qualified to be called as an opportunity because you see a business opportunity now. You can convert this lead into an opportunity. So just click on convert here, and what it does is it then asks you for that particular opportunity details. If I use Zoho, this will be very familiar because Zoho also has lead to account conversion. What it does is basically in a lead page, what you're capturing is the company related information, which is this company, and you're capturing individual related information, who is this particular contact person, and then you're also capturing certain opportunity related information. So this goes out and creates three different records. One is your account record, the other one is your contact record, and third one is your opportunity record. So in your account, you'll have all the company related information getting stored. In a contact, you'll have that individual whom you have spoken with. So that particular individual gets stored in here. And opportunity is what you're creating in here. So that gets stored into the opportunity, right? So when you're converting a lead, you can also transfer this lead to someone else. So let's say if there's a team which is working just to qualify leads, and they send this qualified leads to the end sales guy who goes and meets the customer, right? So at that time, now this lead is qualified. I just want to change the owner of this lead, and now this lead is going to get assigned to someone else because this is qualified. So I can just change the record owner now, right? So I can choose someone else here. For now, I'll just choose myself here. So I just choose that, and just do send email to the owner. So it sends an email notification saying that this new account has been assigned to you right now, right? So uh, this account name here, what this does is, it will show you if there is any KVP business solutions already in your account database or not, so that you don't create duplicate accounts in the system, right? So what it says is there's already KVP business solutions as an account available in the system. So do you want to attach this particular opportunity to that account, or do you want to create a new KVP business solutions account? So ideally what it does is it sees the first 3 4 characters and gives you all the probable list of accounts which it can be. So what I'll do is I'll not create duplicate account right now, so I'll just click on attach to existing KVP business solutions. But just in case you feel that the list which is showing up here is not appropriate, I feel that there is an account which is existing in the system, because there might be a chance where I'll just put K space V space P in an account name. So at that time what you can do is you can just click on this lookup window, and here you can search for your accounts which are already there. So then you choose, okay, from this I feel this is the one which is the right, so I'll link it to this one, right? So right now I'll just attach it to existing KVP business solutions. And opportunity name, what we have done is by default we have actually given opportunity naming convention in here, which is basically your created date, account name, and the brand name. So whatever you given here, it automatically gets converted into that particular format. So I'll just leave it like this for now, right? And convert it is qualified. That's why you're converting it. So converted status will be qualified. Right? So you see this checkbox here, do not create an opportunity upon conversion. So what this does is, sometimes you might have about 4 5 individuals to whom you're speaking to within one company, right? And all of these is for one lead, one opportunity basically, right? So you might have created 4 5 leads in the system, but you don't want to create 4 5 opportunities because it's basically one opportunity. So you can actually click on this for all the other 3 and just keep one opportunity in the system, so it doesn't create 4 duplicate opportunities inside. And sometimes what happens is, in your business you might feel that this particular person is not interested right now, but when I talk to him after 8 months, he might be interested in looking out for some campaign. So at that time you can say, I don't want to create an opportunity right now, but I'll just keep him in my contact database. So you just keep him in account and contact database and raise a task for yourself, right? So that's when this is used, right? So for now I'll just say qualify. When you're qualifying it, you might certainly will have certain task on yourself, right? You say now this lead is qualified. What are you going to do next? I will probably get in touch with the client again in next 1 week, or I have to send certain information about InMobi to him. So you can raise a task for yourself in here, or you can just leave this blank. Let's just do convert. So what this does is there's already an account for KVP Business Solutions. It goes and attaches itself to that, and it creates this new contact test which we had there, and it also creates the new opportunity here.